What is up, guys? Today's video we're gonna have this thing cleaned and then we're doing some ceramic coating, so stay tuned for that. Car is all cleaned up now. Now it's finally time to ceramic coat the car. So right here, we got the full ceramic coating kit. This gets wrapped around the sponge, and then you put like 10 drops of this on this thing with the sponge. And you just gotta apply it horizontally, then vertically. And then before that, I'm gonna swap the mirrors and the side markers right here. So this is the before. Stay tuned for the after. First cap is off. I literally thought it's gonna come off broken. And then it's gonna be the new one. This is how it looks. Here's the difference. Carbon, no carbon. Got both sides installed. Looks great so far. On this mirror, on the old one, I had to start prying it from right here. Loosen it up a little bit on the sides here and just pull it out, and it worked. Same thing for that side. Now it's time for the reflector. Right side all done. Left side all done. And then the mirror caps are done. So now it's time to ceramic coat it. So first step is wiping the whole car down with this. So let's get right to it. now that it's all applied, time to buff it out. Ceramic coating is all done. Let's test it with water. Moment of truth. It works. That's pretty cool. Let's test it back here. Look at that. It does not want to stay. $50–$60 ceramic coating compared to $600 at shops. Not too bad. So that concludes this video. If you liked it, like the video and then subscribe for more. This thing's looking nice already. And then the next video, and then the next one, we have wheels coming in, so stay tuned for that, probably next week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next one.